If your Xiaomi or Redmi phone touch feels slow or delayed on HyperOS, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. Fix 1. Remove screen protector. First, look at your screen. If you are using a thick tempered glass or a cheap screen protector, remove it completely. Now, unlock your phone, open Notes, start typing fast, scroll up and down. If it feels smoother, then protector was blocking touch sensitivity. Fix 2. Restart the phone. Press and hold the power button, tap restart, wait until the phone boots up. Now monitor the temperature. Sometimes it was just a common glitches, and that will cause your phone to heat it up. Fix 3. Check for updates. Now go to settings, tap about phone, tap HyperOS versions, tap check for updates. If you see any updates, download and install it. After installing, restart the phone once more. Updates usually fix touch response bugs. That's the quick solutions for this video. Your touch should feel much better now. If this helps, subscribe for more Xiaomi fixes. Thanks for watching.